Okay, so for the videos, I only have 15 minutes of recording, so it was times up from the previous one. So from the previous one, we were creating the histogram. We create the frequency tables for 4 classes and 6 classes. So at the end of at the end of the question, they also want you to describe the shapes of the 3 histogram. I didn't do the histogram for the original one, but you can see um, from the numbers, if we are going to group it, draw it, is going to be more like this shape. So is bimodal. From the 4 classes and the 6 classes, we can see for the 4 classes, we lose the shape of bimodal. We only see a unimodal. Um, for the 6 classes, we're able to see the bimodals. So in general speaking, when we constructing a histograms, what is the good number of classes? We are not sure. We have to experience it. We have to make sure the graph will have. I cannot. What happened? I cannot. Okay, so the graph is going to representing a true story of the data we have. Like this one, we have a bimodal, but class of 4, we're losing the shape. Okay, so we can see the 6 classes one capture the distribution of the data. The 4 classes one does not capture the description, the shape of the description or the distribution of the data. Okay, so that's the end of the quiz. And if you're not happy with my handwritings, here is the printed versions of the final answers for each one of them. Okay, so